Welcome back, learners. Are you ready for the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn English? Today, we are going to learn exactly how to order at a restaurant in just 3 minutes. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. Step 1, arriving. When you walk in, you need to tell the host how many people are with you. You don't need a long sentence. Simply say, "A table for 3, please." The host needs to know the total number so they can find the perfect spot for your group. Next, if the server doesn't bring menus to your table right away, don't worry, it happens. Here is a very polite and natural way to ask for one. "Could I please see a menu?" Remember, being polite goes a long way in making a good first impression. Step 2, ordering. This is the best part. When you look at the menu and find something that looks delicious, just point or look at the waiter and say, "I'd like to try this dish." It's simple, clear, and perfectly natural. You're doing great. Want to know a secret to sounding just like a native speaker? Ask the waiter, "Are there any specials today?" A special is a unique dish that isn't on the regular menu, usually made fresh just for that day. It's often the best thing in the kitchen. Now, what if your dish usually comes with onions, but you really hate them? No problem at all. You can easily customize your order. Just ask the waiter, "Could you leave out the onions?" Or even, "Could you prepare it without the onions, please?" They are happy to help. Step 3, paying. When you finish your delicious meal and you're ready to head out, it's time to settle up. To request that the check comes to your table, just catch the waiter's eye and say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Could we get the check, please?" If you are out with a group of friends and you only want to pay for your own meal, don't worry, that's very common. You can avoid any awkward math by simply asking the server, "Can we get separate checks?" It makes everything so much easier for everyone. See? Ordering food in English is easy when you know the right phrases. Your homework is to practice these out loud today. If you love this quick lesson, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. What's your favorite food to order? Let me know below. See you next time.